Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I got a bunch of boxes in the mail and honestly, I've been having a really difficult time keeping up with all of the products that these companies are launching. First of all, MAC, I feel like they launch something new every day. Like, I need to just take a minute and let me catch up, okay? But I just thought that I had like so much stuff and I've honestly been really sorry my phone went off. I've been really bad about keeping up with everything on my Instagram story. Usually I do a bunch of unboxings on Insta story and I just haven't. So I figured, let's do an unboxing. We're gonna open up some of this stuff. A couple of them I've already broken into the boxes, but there's a bunch back here that I haven't even touched, so. All right, so first up, we have this cute little watermelon guy from Milk Makeup. Solid Skin, TSA approved skincare. So I think I've already shown you guys some of their solid skincare. Look at this. It like comes like this and then it just unfurls. So I've shown you guys some of their solid skincare on Insta story, definitely. Like I've become a huge fan of the cooling water, which is in here, which I'm really glad about because I ran out of it. So we've got them all in here. We have the Matcha cleanser, which I've definitely talked about. It's got like beads in it, so it gives you kind of like a light, it doesn't really exfoliate, but it gives you kind of like a, I don't know, like a massage when you use it. We have the Matcha toner, which I also really like, but I have to say the cooling water is my absolute favorite. It's like the cooling water is kind of like this, I think. It's like a toner, but I find it to be a bit more hydrating. Then we have the hydrating oil, and then we have, now this one I don't know about. This is the watermelon brightening serum. I've been seeing this and it just looks really nice. I'm excited to try this one. I want to smell it. These caps that come on it are Ziva's favorite toys. Can't get it off. Aw, it doesn't smell like watermelon. Feels nice though. So basically they formulated all of this stuff. Well, I don't know if it's specifically for travel, but it's perfect for travel because it's all solid. So you can take your cleanser, your toner, your serum, your oil, all like in your carry-on. You don't have to worry about checking them, which is such an awesome idea because traveling with skincare is such a nightmare. I guess this is like the full collection. That would be my guess. I don't know which one is like the newest launch. I think it's the watermelon brightening serum, but yeah, super excited to try that. If you guys have any of these, let me know what you think. Seriously recommend the cooling water though, it's bomb. Okay, next up, because I already broke into this because I'm a savage, this is the Huda Beauty Rose Gold Palette Remastered. It says remastered, so I'm assuming there was an original rose gold, I can't say rose gold. Rose gold palette, but I never had it, never tried it, never swatched it. So pretty gorgeous though, love the packaging. And then obviously comes with a little thing of her face. I love the Huda Beauty palettes. They are, first of all, they're stunning. I also just love the like, I don't know how well you guys can see it, but the holographic effect on the palette. Every palette has, oh, I can't do it. Every palette has a sweet ass, a nice mirror, and then always has like a really cool insert. Like they put a lot into it. It must cost so much. So this is the palette. It goes pretty colors. So we've got a lot of nice pinks. We've got some gold tones. We've got, I don't know, some neutrals. It's pretty. I don't know if it really like screams my name. I'm gonna give you guys some swatches though. Oh, doll face. Is my camera shaking right now? That's doll face. That's pretty nice. It's not too bad. I want to swatch this black. Ooh, the black is creamy. That's a good black. Let's do Trust Fund. These are chrome. Like I'm just touching it, I could tell. I don't know how well you guys can see it, but let me swatch these and then I'll get back to you. Oh damn, pink diamond. Oh my god, pink diamond is too much. So the mattes up here swatched kind of weird because my hand was wet and I didn't notice, but they look absolutely beautiful. The black is really nice. I mean, look at those like foils are, where's Maneater? I mean, pink diamond right here. Insane, crazy payoff. Like as soon as I touched it, you can tell that they have a lot of oil in them. They're definitely going to be very pigmented, but I am very impressed with especially the foils. The foils look foiled. If you guys want to see a look using this palette, please let me know in the comments down below. And if there are any specific shades that you are interested in, also let me know. I think this is from MAC. I just can't keep up with them. MAC mattes. So we have the Pore Refiner Stick. Pore Refining Stick. I never really use those. I don't really like them that much. I like the packaging. It's cool. I don't know how well you can see that. It's kind of sparkly. It's black, but it's sparkly. So it's a stick. It's a priming stick. It looks like it smooths. It did some smoothing. I don't know if you guys can see that. I don't know. I never used that. I don't really like a matte look, but I don't know. I've got kind of like larger pores here, so maybe I'll try it. I don't know. And then the next up is it's a Matte Fix Plus, which is interesting. I think it's got like a powder in it or something that makes it that way. Shake well. Yeah, so they definitely added like a mattifying powder to make it matte. A soothing moisture mist that refreshes the skin and finishes makeup, hold 12, blah, blah, blah. So it's basically just Prep and Prime Fix Plus, but the matte version. That's interesting. Let's see. Smells the same. This might be good for summer because I do tend to get oily. I'll keep you posted on this one. I'm gonna slice my hand off. Okay, let's see. They come out with the coolest things. It's black, so you can't really see it. It's like all rolled up. Hold on, let me read it to you first. Alexandra, so excited to finally share our new products and campaign with you. Can't wait to see your accepted anywhere looks. Nicole or Nicola? I don't know. Thanks, Nicola. Nicole. All right, so what this is, new artist color pencil. Whatever you want, wherever you want. 39 shades, perfect for eyes, lips, brows, and face. I just got like way ahead of myself. So this is the Accepted Anywhere collection. Makeup Forever's own Nicola. All right, so these are the new matte All right, so these are the new artist color pencils. Intense matte color, creamy glide and blendability, high precision and control. So they have an extensive shade range here. 39. Why 39? That's interesting. All right, let's unravel this. Oh my god, it's got my name on it. Aw, thanks Makeup Forever. That's cute. We've got a belt. We've got a belt of lip liners, eyeliners, brow pencils, face something. They are creamy. I like they have the pencil that you have to sharpen. That's my favorite kind. I don't know why. I hate gels. I hate twist ups. I feel like they always end up being a little bit too creamy. These are amazing. They're very creamy and they're pigmented and they went on easily, but they're not so creamy that they're sliding around, you know? So they're gonna last. I'm excited to use these. And they're multi-purpose, eyes, lips, face, like everything. So that's very cool. I'm gonna hurt myself with this one. This is from Becca and it weighs 7 pounds. So I think this is their new foundations. Yes, I'm so excited. Oh my God, 24 shades. New foundation. I see a lot of olive people in here. I like that. Ooh, that looks nice. Wait, that's crazy. Do you see that shade range? How am I gonna get this out of here? It's not heavy. We've got you covered. Ultimate Coverage 24-Hour Foundation from Becca. That is so pretty. Look at it. I love the gradient. This is extensive. Oh, these are so nice. I love the packaging. How many? 24? 24 Ultimate Coverage 24-Hour Foundation. All right, let's see. What would I be? All right, it's very difficult to tell what I will be, what shades I'll be, but I'm just gonna give you guys some swatches from like light to dark to show you the range. So this is the darkest shade and it is Chestnut. I think it's the darkest shade. Ooh, a little bit goes a very long way. Look at that. I mean, it is way too dark for me, so that's also, but that feels really nice. Oh my God, that feels so nice. Okay, Maple. These are definitely full coverage. Like the tiniest amount goes a very, very long way. All right, let's see what else do we have here. This is Buff, which I have a feeling is gonna be one of my shades, but I don't know. You don't know until you like lay them out near each other, you know? I'm liking the looks of this. And then this one is super light and really pink. So they have like a nice array of warm, rosy shades, ivory. So here are some of the shades. You can see, I mean, obviously from light to dark, they definitely have a range, but they're really full coverage. I mean, I used like the tiniest amount. I'm excited to use these. They look beautiful. I'll keep you guys posted on these. I might use them in like a first impressions. I don't know. Do I have any concealers to try? Maybe I'll try to do like a full face first impressions or something and use them. Or I could do a wear test. Let me know if you want to see that. Pretty. I'm excited about these. I've been seeing these everywhere. I was wondering if I was gonna get them. I've been sitting on this for a second. I just like did not open them. This is the Block Party collection from Dose of Colors. So it's a big eyeshadow collection. How many are there? I don't know, but the press is sick for them. I just stabbed myself in the face. So they are a bunch of single shadows. Like I said, I got these a little while ago and I just like haven't had a chance to open them. So I'm just gonna swatch a few of them for you. I don't know if you guys have seen press for them, like the images of Anna. She looks so bomb though. 1, 2, 3. So there's 20 of them. But I just wanna see what the formula is like. They look pretty bomb. And I'm just gonna pick the ones that have like the coolest names in my opinion. Oh, you can't see that. X-ray looks sick. They have a very interesting texture. They kind of feel like the ColourPop shadows, but like not quite as cushiony. Oh my God, stop. So that's X-ray. I swear these swatches that I do never do the product justice. Teal Me More. Ooh, oh my God. Maybe you can see it actually with the mirror. Can you see that? It looks teal here, and in the reflection of the mirror, it looks purple. It has like a really interesting reflect. You can't see it when I like move it, but you can totally see in the mirror. Isn't that crazy? It looks like a completely different shadow. Oh my God, these are so bomb. And they're very lightweight feeling too, which is nice. So they're not gonna be like too heavy on the eyes. Heart of Gold, just cause like gold. But I'm loving the formula of these. I'm really excited. The only thing that I'm not like wild about is the fact that they're all singles, especially like this. I don't know. They're kind of hard to store that way, you know? Okay, I definitely can see where the inspo came for this because the formula of it is the same as the shimmery shades that Katie and Desi used in their Girls palette. Definitely. It's this, it feels exactly the same. Look at that. I swear the swatches just don't do them justice. They look incredible. These are pretty bomb. But again, single shadows, I don't know. I'm just not, I don't know. But they look so beautiful, they're hard to pass up, you know what I mean? All right, I gotta get to this Covergirl one because it's really big. So you guys should see this area after filming. It is horrendous. Oh, Jesus. It's a foundation. Guys, I'm struggling today. I'm struggling. This camera has shut off so many times. I've had to go through 2 memory cards. My tripod won't stop shaking. All right, we got it open. Inspired by the Infinite, made for you. There's a lot of shades here, dude. I don't even know how I'm gonna show this to you. All right, so everybody is just launching a crap ton of new shades. Covergirl TruBlend Matte Made, 40 shades of foundation. Rihanna changed the game with Fenty, I have to say. Now everybody is like jumping on board. Light L, medium M, tan T, and deep D. Warm, cool, and neutral undertones to help you find your perfect match. Oil-free, transfer-resistant, pore minimizing, all-day comfort, and we've got some primers as well. You guys see this? It's very heavy. I'm seeing a lot of olive shades here, and that makes me happy, especially with the deeper shades. The shade right here is very olive. What shade is this? T70. So this is one of the tan shades. It's very olive looking. I don't know how you guys can like see that in comparison to my skin. It's got a lot of olive in it. M80. It's got like a nice olive tone to it as well. But we also have like a lot of rose undertones. Super dark. Here's the darkest shade. I'll show you the darkest and the lightest. Oh my god, this is really olive. This is D20. Look at that. How olive that is. That's amazing. I love this. I love seeing all of these olive shades. These are actually olive too. You can like really see the green in it. These are the lightest and the darkest shades. We have L10 and D90. I love the color. Definitely full coverage right there. So that is, what is this? M80. Kind of smells like paint. I'm a little worried because I can already see the edges of it oxidizing more pink. That's always a worry with more olive foundations, but let's just see. And then this is T70. This is very olive as well. So we got M80 and then T70. And I don't know how well you can see the edges of M80, but it definitely is starting to oxidize a little bit more pink, so I don't know. But damn, is that full coverage. It's got a matte finish, so I'm gonna have to do a wear test, I think. Yeah, actually, and T70 is starting to oxidize a little bit more like orange around the edges, so. Oh, that's the thing, man. You gotta be able to swatch this stuff. If you guys wanna see a wear test of this as well, let me know. I don't know, maybe they're not oxidizing that bad. I don't know. That chair is just, because the box just fell. You should see this place, it's insane. All right guys, so that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed seeing me unbox all of these new products. Obviously, if there are specific products that you want to see in a video, like if you want me to do a wear test of the foundations, let me know. Or obviously a tutorial with the Huda palette, because it looks pretty bomb. If you guys like seeing unboxings, please let me know in the comments down below. I pretty much always do them on my Instagram story, but I got a little bit backed up. As always, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share and subscribe and follow me on all of the social. Make sure that you hit that notification bell so you know the next time I'm uploading. All right guys, thank you so much for watching and hopefully I will see you in the next one.